So the guy came in and he had a device that wasn't turning on. When they walk through the door, the chances of you closing them goes way up. So by him walking into the door, the first thing, I built the confidence with him to let him know that I can absolutely fix it. And I took it in as a free diagnosis, and I told him, hey, I'll call you once I figure out what's going on with it. And so once he already dropped it off, I knew I was locking in that deal. So I have the device in my hand, he needs it, he's got priorities, he's got business things that he's got to do. So I called him up and told him, hey, I can definitely fix it. This is the price. Do you approve? Done. We locked in the deal. The screen went blank?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was trying to figure out.
Yeah, let's see if we just do some lease, let's see if we do a hard reset on this thing. If this thing is.
Okay. Because I was looking it up on YouTube. They say press the volume button up, down, then press the side.
Yeah. On some of the phones, that's how it is. On the iPhone, on this particular iPhone, it's just these two buttons, but.
Because I hear it vibrates and.
Yeah.
And then they had like a little side button right there.
That's the vibrator, yeah. That turn off and on, so you could feel that, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just got it, but.
So did you when did it happen? Did it drop and then it happened, or?
I had it yesterday. I dropped it yesterday.
Yeah.
It was still working.
Okay.
And then I woke up this morning.
Okay.
Then when it was just black.
So I'm just doing a hard reset, right? You hold down the power button and the home button for 30 seconds to see if that, that a lot of times these are small computers. They just need to be reset. But it doesn't seem to be resolving the issue. So what we're going to do here is we'll do a diagnosis on it.
Okay.
See what's going on. Maybe it's a loose connection, whatever it may be, and then kind of go from there. So let me get your information.
Okay.
And then we'll get the ball rolling for that.
Okay.
How's that sound?
That's fine.
Okay, cool. So
I'm not the end because I got my phone.